Turning now overseas, a bold and deadly attack by the Taliban in Afghanistan today on a joint U.S.-Afghan airbase. And tonight, Afghan military forces are being credited with keeping the attackers from reaching their goal. NBC's Atia Abawi is in Kabul tonight.
Lester, it seems to have been a very complex attack as insurgents targeted Jalalabad airfield in eastern Afghanistan's Nangarhar province. Early this morning, a vehicle filled with explosives detonated near one of the gates, apparently so that other insurgents could try to get onto the base. Afghan forces responded on the ground with backup from NATO air power, killing 9 insurgents. At least 5 Afghans were also killed in the attack, including 2 civilians and at least 3 members of Afghan special forces. No U.S. or coalition service members were killed today, and NATO says the insurgents did not breach the base's perimeter. Some military officials here say they consider today's response by Afghan forces somewhat successful, as it was the Afghans who were in the lead, helping to kill the Taliban fighters and thwarting their plans as NATO continues to hand over security here to Afghan forces. Lester?